all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I'm back with another video for you guys. So I'm back with the episode 2 of a Study With Me series, and for this episode 2 I have taken subject economic, business and commercial laws. Okay, so this economic, business and commercial laws is again a subject of CS Executive module 2 paper 7. Okay, now first we will see कि कितने chapters हैं economic, business and commercial laws में. So economic, business and commercial laws के अंदर 3 parts में ये सब्जेक्ट जो है आपका डिवाइडेड है, और 3 पार्ट्स के अंदर एज यू कैन सी सबसे पहले जैसे पार्ट 1 है, एंड इन पार्ट 1 देयर आर 11 चैप्टर्स. ठीक है, then in part 2 there is a competition law. So this it contains of the chapter 12, which is related to Competition Act 2002, and then part 3 relates to business and commercial laws, and it contains chapters like Consumer Protection Act, Essential Commodities Act, Legal Metrology Act, Transfer Property Act, Real Estate Act, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Indian Contracts Act, Sales of Goods, Specific Relief Act, Partnership Act and Negotiable Instrument Act. So there are total 24 chapters in economic, business and commercial laws, and for this subject I have allotted 20 days plan for completing the whole subject. Okay, which includes the module and the scanner. So let's see that what the timetable is. Moreover, if you like this series, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and share this video with everyone. So for economic, business and commercial laws I have allotted 20 days. Okay, so let's see what the timetable is. So on day 1 I have allotted chapter 1 and chapter 2. Then for day 2 chapter 3, 4. Now chapter 5 is a long chapter, so I have allotted 3 days for chapter 5, and that is day 3, day 4 and day 5. Then on day 6 I have allotted chapter 6, 7 and 8. For day 7 chapter 9. For day 8 chapter 10 and 11. For day 9 chapter 12. For day 10 chapter 13. For day 11 chapter 13 again. Now the chapter 13 is divided into part 1 and part 2 in the books. So for the both parts you can complete it in 2 days. So I have allotted day 10 and 11 for chapter 13. Then for day 12 there is chapter 14, 15 and 18. Now all the 3 acts are very small and you will be able to complete it in 1 day. So that's why I have allotted 3 chapters for day 12. Then day 13 I have allotted chapter 16. Now for day 14 I have allotted chapter 17. For day 15 I have allotted chapter 20. For day 16 chapter 24. Day 17 chapter 19, 21. And for day 18 chapter 22, 23. Again both the acts are small, you will be able to complete it. Similar for the day 17. And for day 19 and 20, last 2 days you can complete your left out topics. And so all these chapters which I have mentioned in the timetable, you have to complete the module plus scanner for all the chapters. Okay, and you will be able to complete the subject in 20 days. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked this video and the timetable for economic, business and commercial laws. I hope you're liking this series. Do let me know that what another subject you want me to prepare for. I will surely make a video on that subject too. We'll meet you guys soon in my next video. And you can take a screenshot of this, or you can also mail me on the mail ID. I will mention the mail ID in the description box below. We'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.